Hey everyone, it's Dr. Alan Chinosha. I'm with Town Center Family Dental right here in Hillsborough, New Jersey, and I'm very excited to share with you the news. I'm proofreading, what will hopefully be the last time, our Hybrid Dental Implant Pricing and Information Guide. You know, many of you have seen the magazine that we put out about a year or so ago, featured Somerset County dentists, and in there was a lot of information about the things that we do, featuring many of the patients that we've helped along the years. And then there's a specific area in this magazine that had to do with hybrid implants, which was really only dedicated this portion here about it. And we got so many requests for more information, we decided to just put together a guide that was just about hybrid. And I'm really excited because it's taken a lot of work. And Allison, I'll give you another shout out. Shout out to Allison for putting a lot of time into this. This hybrid guide is, how many pages, Allison? What do we have here? 18 pages. 18 pages of information about everything you'd ever want to know about hybrid. It answers all of the most frequently asked questions in a video format. So this is an interactive guide. It's not a typical just printed out guide and have it that way. So it's available for download. It is available on our Facebook page, Town Center Family Dental. It's also available if you call the office and ask to speak to Allison. She'll be happy to get it to you. Also, it's available if you're seeing this video right now, and if you click on, there'll be a little link below. You'll be able to click on that link. It'll take you right to a page where you'll be able to download the guide. There's a lot of great information here. There's also interactive videos. So if you want to see patient stories of patients that have actually completed hybrid and find out a little bit more about how it's helped them and it's changed their life, it's really become the focus of what we're doing here. And we're really excited about it because we really put a lot into continuing education, a lot into learning about what can be done in situations where people have hopeless teeth or where they have no teeth at all. And we're just trying to help people live a better life. And this is the first step. So if you're interested in learning more, or if you have someone who's maybe a friend that you know is suffering, just get our guide. You'll be happy. It's got a lot of great information. Thanks a lot.